Greetings! Welcome back to a new episode of Saffron and Cypress channel!
Yay!
Alright, so today we're gonna be discussing the Frenzy Pack, Jurassic World Rebirth, IANI. Here we go. We will check the back. We already did the Torbonistes, Edmontonia, and now we have the IANI. Alright guys. Alright, so we will compare to the Callovasaurus from... I'm not sure if this is a Primal Attack or a Camp Cretaceous classic one. There's a DNA scan, and we also have a Dominion Parasaurolophus, a blue one that came with who was that again? Owen Grady back in Dominion when the Dominion timeline came out. Yeah, it came with like a cowboy rope, something like that. So two small Hadrosauruses, and this looks like a Hadrosaur as well, so we're gonna compare it to it. It also has a little beak in it. So let's unbox it. Let's check it out. There we go. So I'm opening this. I'd like to say thank you guys for subscribing. It helps out a lot. If you subscribe to us, we'll subscribe to you. Thank you, thank you. So there's the DNA scan for this. IANI SMITHI. Has an odd name. Doesn't sound like a dinosaur. So it is like a feathery dinosaur. Look at that. I've never heard of it. It's not familiar to me. And there we go. It has a purple eye. A yellow eye actually, then purple around it. Beak, just like the Callovasaurus. You can tell they're really related in it, but this one does not have any feather. This one is feathery. Also has some dew claw. That's good. Obviously they won't paint this because it's a Frenzy Pack or a Danger Pack. There's no features in it. Just a movable neck up and down, doesn't go left and right. Yep, no features because it's a small pack, like a Frenzy Danger Pack, like I said. Just like this Callovasaurus. And this one came with a human. There's a DNA scan. Okay, guys. Also, yesterday we went on hunt and we found the Stegosaurus from Hammond Collection, so we have it already. But on Wednesday we will be discussing the Hammond Collection Spinosaurus. We're gonna be checking that out. Okay, guys. So we still couldn't find the new Dino Reveal. It's still the old ones, because I know the Dino Reveal, the newer ones have a Dilophosaurus cover now instead of the Velociraptor. So everything is still Velociraptors. There's no Dilophosaurus covers yet. I don't know how they find the... I've seen some reviews, but I don't know how they find those. But anyways, since this is a new species from Mattel, so I need at least two more, so here we go. Oops. And here's our other one. See? So I'm gonna do a custom paint on this one and put a little distinction on this little one and leave this one out as the original. Okay. So there you have it. Okay, guys. Also, Separate wants to show his Spinosaurus claws, so we're gonna bring it out.
Hello, guys. This is the new Battle Scratcher Spinosaurus.
The Battle Class Spinosaurus. Turn around. Whoa.
These two masks.
We got Velociraptor mask and a Spinosaurus mask as well. Alright, let's unbox it. Okay, hold it. Alright.
In the back.
Okay. Faucet. There you go. You put it on. Kind of big for you, dude.
That's so fine.
Yeah. Remember we had the Therizinosaurus claw as well?
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah. Alright, so here's the Spinosaurus claws we got from Rebirth. It's pretty cool. Just like a Therizinosaurus. It doesn't fit on my hand because my hands are a little bigger now. It's definitely meant for children. Small children. He wants to put it on right now. Come on, put it on, Sci-Fi too. You like? There you go. The Therizinosaurus claws are gone. I already made it a hybrid. It went to the Primevalosaurus. One of the spikes went there, the claw. Okay, so yep, there you have it. Let's leave it here. Alright, now back to our main guy right here. So the IANI. This is the IANI SMITHI. Okay guys, thank you again. Then yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like, comment if you want, or like. I'd like to say thank you again. You guys have a good one now. You guys have a good week. And we'll see you next 2 days. Yeah, thanks. Bye.